Good morning students and welcome in the online classes. Today we are going to study about food and health. So children, food gives us energy to work and play. And this helps us to fight with the diseases. In the picture you can see here a man fighting with the disease. So the substance that help us to do all this is called as nutrient. So nutrients makes us healthy and keeps us fit, which you are seeing in this picture, a man who is looking so fit and healthy. So you need different kinds of food to satisfy your taste and also get all the required nutrition. So there are mainly 5 types of nutrients in our food, and these are carbohydrate, fats, protein, minerals, vitamins, and water also included. Roughage also is one of the important part of our food. It is not a nutrient, but it is still very important for the smooth functioning of our digestive system. So let us study these nutrients in detail. So let us start with carbohydrates. So children, carbohydrate provide instant energy, means quick energy, and we can also say carbohydrate is energy giving food. For example, rice, bread, chapati. You can see the picture of chapati here. Then bananas, bread, etc. Second is fat. So fat also provide us energy more than carbohydrate. So we should take them in a small quantity. So fats are stored in our body under the skin and provide us energy whenever we need it. You can see in the picture. And these are the example of fats like oil, butter, ghee, etc. And the third part is the protein. They are needed for growth and repair of our body. They build our muscles, and that is why those who do weightlifting consume lot of protein. You can see in the picture this man, because it helps us in the growth and development of their muscles. Children are also recommended to take extra protein in their daily routine. These are also help to heal our wounds in the case of injury. This wound in the picture is getting healed by taking the various sources of protein like this. So the example of protein are milk, pulses, fish, egg, meat, nuts, etc., which you can see in the picture here. And the fourth part is vitamins and minerals. So they are needed in small quantities. The function of the vitamin is to fight the diseases. They are found in green leafy vegetables, and they are also found in the fruits, eggs, fish, etc. There are 5 essential vitamins, and they are A, B, C, D, E and K. So let us start with vitamin A. So vitamin A is very much necessary for the protection of our eyes and for our skin. You can see in the picture here. And they are also found in the egg yolk. Egg yolk, we say the middle part of the egg. So these are found in the egg yolk. They are also found in the leafy vegetables, in the mangoes, tomato, etc. Coming to the second vitamin, that is vitamin B. They keep our muscles and nerves healthy. They are found in the cereals, bread, pulses, egg, fish, etc. Coming to vitamin C, this helps us to fight with the infection and keep our gums strong and healthy. They are found in lemon, grapes, tomato, guava, and they are rich in green chilies. You can see in the picture. So vitamin D is necessary for our strong bones. You can see in the picture here. And also for our strong teeth, or vitamin D makes our teeth very strong. So these are found in the milk product such as cheese, butter, curd, etc. Liver cord oil also is a good source of vitamin D. Calcium and minerals are two important things that our body needs. This makes our bones and teeth strong. The main source of calcium is milk. Iron is also used by our body to make blood. So, green leafy vegetables and meat are rich in iron. This is roughage. It is also called as fiber. They do not provide any nutrient but help the body to get rid of waste material. Water is important part of our body. Even 60% of our body have water in it. So it is said we should drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day to keep our body healthy. So whatever fruits and vegetables we take, it contains some amount of water and it is necessary for our body to take this kind of nutrition. So it was about the different types of nutrients present in our food. Thank you students. Keep studying.